Hi guys, Jonas and Simon here from Sledstore. We are out in the backcountry today. Talking about avalanche equipment and why that is important.
When it comes to avalanche equipment, you can go either really basic or you can go really big, depending on your budget, on your experience and all of that. But I think that we can start off with, in my experience and opinion, the most basic thing you should always carry on the mountain when you're snowmobiling, which is a shovel. You will get stuck if you are free riding, if there's a lot of snow, and if you don't have a shovel, you can actually get into quite a bit of dangerous situations. I've been there with shovels, and it can still take you hours to get loose. So shovel, in my opinion, is definitely a must-have. They're detachable, so you can always mount them on the backpack if needed, or on your tunnel bag, usually really convenient as well. So this one from BCA is really lightweight, and we are carrying it with us out here today. Super convenient and stylish. This one from Sledstore also has a saw included, and this is my personal favorite, so we can just draw it out. And this one's been used quite a lot, you can see, but it's super convenient because a lot of times you get into deep snow and there's a branch somewhere, you can't really reach it or access it without having to get loose from whatever tree you have as an obstacle in front of you. So this one's a personal favorite for me. So the second thing that I want to show you today is what we call a probe. It looks like a random folded stick, but it's one of the basic and most useful thing that you can have on your mountain. It looks like this, so you can just fold it out and you can wrap it up like this, and it's gonna fold together or get together like this. And now it's a very long stick, and you can use it especially for finding your buddies if they would ever get under the snow in an avalanche. Now, what needs to be said here is that probes are really great, and it's a fundamental cheap thing that you should carry with you on the mountain. However, without a transceiver, it's going to be really hard for you to find these people. So just a reminder that this doesn't replace a transceiver. It's a complement to a transceiver, and maybe it's a good start to have if you don't have the budget to buy a transceiver. But this is definitely a very great tool to bring with you. Hopefully the most used feature for this it's to check snow conditions. So if you see here, we can see how much snow it is. We can also check, for example, how much power it is and the layers of snow that are underneath. Super useful tool. This one is from BCA. Nice thing about this one in particular, in my opinion, is that it folds really easily. And so if you're in a rush, you can just put it together in a few seconds, instead of the regular ones that you kind of need to work a bit more with to put together.
Another thing that is becoming more and more common is to have this kind of link or a radio with you when you're out riding. Why do you use that, Simon?
It is also one of the fundamental things. I have been riding a lot without them, but they are a key thing to use when you're out sledding, especially with friends, because there's a lot of times where you're gonna get stuck in a ditch somewhere, and you don't have any network on your phone, and you're stuck and you don't know where your friends are, and they're not gonna be able to find you because your track is way off and they're probably stuck somewhere else.
Yeah.
So if you don't have any way to communicate with your friends on the mountain, you can get into really scary situations. I've been there. Luckily, that ended up well, but it's just so convenient to be able to communicate with your friends when you're out riding.
So we have two different versions on right now. You have the BCA Link 2.0. And basically what that is that it has this little controller, and then in the back, in the backpack, you actually keep the base station where you have the battery and you have the antenna and that sort of thing. And this one is a fairly new one. This is the Link Mini from BCA. This one doesn't have a base station that you keep in your back pocket, or in your backpack. This one is actually sort of its own little piece, so you can just put it on your on your backpack like that and keep it with you. Super easy. Both of these ones are super easy. You just make sure everybody has the right channel, and then you can just hold this one in, talk, and then you can communicate like that.
And the thing that I like about this one is that it doesn't take much space. It's really convenient to take on and off. And so if you get into any gnarly terrain with a lot of trees and stuff, this one is not going to get stuck into the trees as much. It doesn't weigh anything. So it's super convenient, actually. It's super easy to use. The only thing you got to do is turn it on, use the same channel as your friends have, and they're good to go. And when you're stuck or anything happens, you can use it. You can also use it for skiing and other stuff as well. So yeah, I really want to give this one a shout out.